Time now to give you some more tips for UEL Daily Fantasy driven by Kia. Here's who's come onto our radar ahead of matchday 6. Dinamo Zagreb's Izet Hajovic has scored 3 goals in the competition. Starting strongly, he amassed 18 of his 25 points on the first 2 match days. He's been prone to a yellow card, getting 2 so far, but if you can see past that, he may be worth a punt. Plus, he's only been selected by 11% of daily fantasy players. Takumi Minamino has shown he's capable of scoring big. On matchday 4, his hat-trick saw a return of 17 points and could explain why his selection increased to 22%. He only scored 1 point last time out, playing just 14 minutes, but if he's given more time on matchday 6, he could significantly add to the 27 points he's totalled. And Villarreal's Carl Toko Ekambi has been scoring goals and gaining assists. A third of daily fantasy players have him in their team, and he's rewarded those of you who've shown faith with 39 points. He does have a good record against matchday 6 opponent Spartak Moscow, scoring last time out and notching up 8 points.